welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about my nighttime or my evening skincare routine. Not skincare, like the evening routine. I had already shot a morning routine and some of you asked for this video, so I decided to film this. I'm going to take you guys to the second half of my day and watch till the end. And if you like the video, do not forget to hit that like button. Also, if you are watching me for the first time, a very warm welcome. Please subscribe so that I can grow. And without further blabbering, let's get started. Hi guys, it is around 5:30 and this is when I start my evening routine. So first I start with my cup of cold coffee. I am somebody who cannot do without coffee and I switch it up with hot coffee sometimes, but usually I try to stick to cold coffee. I love having it and I will be having it, and then I'll be showing you guys when the sun sets. I will be taking you guys to that, and yeah, and then I'll show you what else I do. But first I'm going to enjoy this cup of coffee all by myself. I have come up with the coffee. As you can see, I have set a temporary setup there with a mattress and a pillow, and I'm going to sit and read my book and enjoy my cup of coffee while watching this beautiful view. This is one of my favorite parts of the day, where I like to sit in the terrace in the evening and just enjoy my cup of coffee. And yeah, and that's something that I look forward to the most in this lockdown. And yeah, the sunset hasn't happened properly yet. It is still 6 and it sets a little after 6, but this is the view and slowly it will only get better. So guys, here I am listening to some music. I love to listen to music in the evening while enjoying the evening breeze on the terrace. It helps to calm me down, and that's what I'm doing here. So guys, post listening to music, I need to do some meditation, because meditation is something I have started during the lockdown and it has helped me to calm my mind a lot. I can't wake up early every morning, so I try to do it during the evening time. So here's I'm meditating for at least 10 minutes. Guys, now I have the deadly task of fixing this thing, that is this pile. This is the pile of laundry that I have washed in the morning, and I have to fold it and put it aside. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I hate to do this thing, but I have to do it, otherwise it will keep lying in the chair, which doesn't look good. So I have to do it. I just got done with the laundry and now I'm going to reward myself with some snack. I have some peanut butter cookie with me and I'm going to enjoy this. I need some, like I'm like a child, I need some kind of a reward to do any kind of important work, and for me laundry is a big work. So I got done with that, so I'm going to just enjoy this and chill for some time. And then so guys, the next thing that I have to do is to play with this cutie. I cannot complete my day without playing with this, and he is so cute. He's a kuchu boy. His name is Blackie. So I will always be playing with him, and he does his own thing where he keeps scratching himself and doing stuff like this. But this is something I really look forward to, you know. So guys, every evening I would call up some friend or family and I would talk with them. So here I am talking with my friend on a call. That's something I do every evening. Next thing that I have to do is to edit. Today's agenda is for editing. This is the time when I start editing. After I'm done with all that, I will edit till it is my dinner time, and I usually have an early dinner, so I will edit for around 1 hour and then I will have my dinner and I'll see you guys that time. So currently I have all my like my files here, as you can see, and I will be editing one video today. So yeah, and that will take around 1 hour or maybe more, but I'm going to walk for an hour and then have my dinner. So guys, finally it is dinner time, and for dinner today I am having some 2 rotis along with some sabji. It has aloo and some red sabji in it. I don't know about the sabji, what it is, but I'm going to just enjoy this, and then I'm going to also watch some Netflix, and yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Hi guys, as you can see I have already changed my outfit. This is my sleeping suit, the donut print one, and now I'm going to do my nighttime skincare routine. So for that, first I have already washed my face with the Himalaya Neem face wash, and I have bare face now, and currently I'm going to put on some Pond's cream, that is my night cream. You should always moisturize your skin before you go to bed. That is good for your skin, so that's what I'm going to do. And also I'm going to apply this lip balm. This is also good for your skin. And after all that is done, I have already filled up my water bottle, which I'm going to need the next morning as soon as I wake up. So yeah, after doing all this, I'm just going to go right into my blanket and call it a night. So that was my evening routine. This is my everyday routine that I follow during the lockdown, during the evening time. It is one of my favorite parts of the day, and I am sharing my day with you guys here. Hopefully you guys have liked it, and let me know in the comments what you think about this video and what new videos you would like to see from me, and I'll see you guys again next week. Till then, bye.